Hey guys, working on changing the blades on the mowers, on the Ferris mower that I've got, and it is the bolt is extremely tight for all three of them. So instead of laying on the ground trying to do it, I went and got the Mojack 550. So I just picked this up. It says no assembly required, so stick with me and we'll see if it actually is no assembly required. Also, it's just me by myself here today. I've been left unsupervised, so there's no telling what kind of trouble we can get into. Well, let's see what the instructions sheet says. So far, it's been pretty much not 5,000 pieces to it. Well, camera cut off. I don't know what the deal is with this camera. But anyway, here it is all put together. Not super impressed with it so far, but I guess if it'll get my mower up and hold it, then I'll be okay with it. So stick around. We'll get the mower on there and see what we can do with this thing. Now then, that gets it up plenty high enough for me to work on it. So it's got a locking mechanism down here that locks it into place, and to get those to whenever you're ready to let it down, you have to lift those up. So right now it's locked into place, but I'm going to double check it to make sure. Yep. It's awful dark under here. I don't know if you'll even be able to see this, but we're going to go ahead and try and give it a try. Guys, it's no joke. I was out here earlier this morning trying to get these things out. I couldn't bust them loose with a 2-foot cheater bar. But getting this thing up where I could get that big impact on there just zipped them right out. So I'll grab the new blades and then I'm gonna knock off a bunch of this chunky stuff underneath here, get this kind of cleaned up. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay guys. Tightening up the last blade here. Cleaned out a bunch of the crud underneath it, so the next time I wash it we should be in good shape. But when you're putting your new blades on, don't forget that there is an upside down and a right side up. So when you take your blades off, make sure you take notice of that, because the first one I put on over here, I had it on upside down. But luckily I caught it because I left the bolts in the old one so I could be sure and put them back on the right way. So I'm going to tighten up this last one and be ready to get it down off here. Like I said, I don't know sure how well you'll be able to see it, but we'll try and give it a shot here. Okay, they're all there, so we'll get her down off of here, and I'm actually gonna, well, I got a flat tire, so I gotta fix that, and then gonna give this thing a, well, I'll go ahead and mow, and then I'll give it a good washing. So stick around. I don't know sure what all else you might see, but you can tell I'm pretty darn dirty right here. But heck of a way to start off the first day of your week of vacation, huh? Stick around. For a little wash. This one's needing it really bad. Okay guys, we got the yard mowed, got her washed off, clouding up. We got a little bit of, got a light sprinkling of rain last night, but not near enough of what we need. But hopefully we're gonna, maybe some of this will blow in, but I think it's blowing right to the west of us. But anyway, all I got left to do is pick up my mess and go ahead and grease this thing. And Special shout out to Charles. Appreciate you hooking me up with the blades there, buddy. It's been a few years ago that you got them for me, but I still have a few sets left, so appreciate that. He watches all our videos, so special shout out to Charles. He'll know who he is. So I'm going to cut this off and get the grease gun out and get the rest of this taken care of. Then I have to sweep the yard. I forgot to show you all that. I might tag onto this video and show you the sweeper that we've got to sweep this up, and then we give that to the chickens and to the goats. And that's the other thing there. If you've never figured it out, on one of our goats, her name is Ferris, and that's why she's named Ferris, because this is my mower, so she's my backup. Them and the goat and the sheep, they're taking good care of the chicken yard and out into the pasture where we've got them turned out right now. So it's working good. I don't have near as much to worry about or mow, and I don't have to hook up the flail mower and drive around all those trees out there. Luckily the goats and the sheep will take care of all that for me. So I'll shut this off right here. If I get a chance to show you the sweeper that we've got, I'll hook up and tag that on the end of this. We'll talk to you guys later. Have a great week.